welcome to this video. This is just a quick introduction to upcycling this gorgeous coffee table piece that I found on Facebook Marketplace, and this vlog covers the start to the finished process of this project, how long it took me. I've never done it before, so no judgment please. I had some help from my dad, which I'm so grateful for. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get straight on into this whole process of upcycling my first piece of furniture that was a bargain find from Facebook Marketplace, finding items that you know have potential, and I'm just so happy with the outcome, so I hope you enjoy it too. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want more content like this. Oh my god, £20. £20 off Facebook Marketplace. Wow, I'm just shocked, and you haven't even seen underneath. It's like a herringbone like top, like inspired. And she was saying about like how many members of her family have all sat on this because it's solid. It's just beautiful, and just the drawers, can you see it's like a panel on the drawers as well. It's just, oh, it's just the whole thing is so gorgeous. So my plan is obviously sand it down, clean it, whitewash it, then do like a wood sort of wax on it, but like a beigey tone, and then another whitewash, and yeah, it's gonna look stunning. £20 guys, £20. I'm actually just in shock right now. Don't know if I'd change the handles, but the drawers are so deep, like so deep, but as you can see, am I wrecking my car? Don't know if I would change these handles, like they're nice. I'm gonna have to see what it looks like after it's all washed and stuff. This is the coffee table that I bought off Facebook Marketplace for £20. It's so lovely. As you can see, I started the sanding work already. It's got 2 drawers, which is disguised as 4, but they're really deep drawers. They're the whole width, really long. There's wheels on the bottom. It's a solid piece. I bought off the lady who said lots of people used to sit on it in her family. So yeah, it's a fun piece to renovate. My plans are to sand the top, whitewash it, and put a wax coat on it, and then paint the rest. So the top will be the only sort of like wood type. So yeah, it's a beautiful piece. Love the detailing on the bottom. I just love like paneling detail. It's just a really, really nice piece. I only got it for £20 off Facebook Marketplace, so keep checking Facebook Marketplace for bits like this. Just to give you a close-up, really nice, like detailing, deep drawers. Like I don't have to whitewash or paint the inside because I quite like it this colour. It's just the exterior is very dark. Again, it goes all around the back. It's just a lovely piece. As you can see, I've started to sand it because it's what's this called? It's called something like a varnish lacquer or something. Oh my god, I've completely forgotten the terminology for my brain. Yeah, lovely piece for £20. You can't go wrong with that at all. And it's really wide, very wide. I just love it. So I'm going to start sanding now. I've got my sandpaper on the 240, and we're going to give it a go. day 2 of the coffee table project. Well, I would like to say day 2, but day 2 of working on it consistently. I'm going to get it back out, do some more sanding. I was thinking about using some wood bleach on it today. And then hopefully after I've got it all sanded down, then it's a whitewash on the top, sand that back down, then I can stain the top and then paint the rest. So we're making a bit of progress, you know. I've still got to sand the rest of it down, which I'm dreading. And then I was thinking, like I said, about putting a thin coat of wood bleach on to lighten up the colour. I've damaged the corner, look. And that's put it out. So can I just sand that with the background, but with the hand sander? Something tells me I'm not the neighbour's best friend making all this noise. So I'm sat on the coffee table, I've made a really good start on it, I'm just having a break and I think I'll come back to it another day. I'll show you where I've got up to so far. So I have been a bit lazy in patches, but to be fair, these bits, the ones that are going to be painted from the top down, don't need to be like perfect like the top, like even the top still needs doing, because I'm painting the bottom. And then this is going to be chalk paint, sanded, then with a wood. That's really nice, actually.
Don't get over your nice black stuff.
I know.
Don't flick it.
Hello everyone, this is a coffee table project check-in. It's currently the 27th of November and so far we've made amazing progress. We're literally so close to the finishing line with finishing this project. I know it's been prolonged because of wanting to get it out and paint it, but because we've got this room now, it's like our indoor product room for the winter. So I'm going to give you a rundown of where we're up to so far. So this is the coffee table up to so far. So we have gone ahead and painted the actual unit sides itself. It's been done all the way around, and also the drawers have been completed too, and the handles have gone back on. This colour isn't what I wanted, but because we've got this far, I'm not going to go ahead and paint it again. It's sort of a little bit more grey tone, like cool tone that I wanted. And then we've just got the wax to do on the top. So this is what we're using. It's the Georgian mahogany, and what he's done is my dad's done most of the work, not gonna lie, give credit where it's due. He has tried to buff the middle. This is a much better angle over here, and then painted around the sides, and as you can see the paint is sticking a lot better and giving it a darker colour. So it just needs another paint of the wax polish on top, and then is basically complete and ready to be shipped over to my house. So excited. This cost me £20 off Facebook Marketplace at the start of this project, and we're almost going to be taking it home to what it's made for and what it's been upcycled for, and what I saw the vision for is to go in my living room. So I'm very much excited to finish it off and bring it on over to mine. The day has finally come. The coffee table is here. How nice. So it's had 2 coats of what's this called? Stain, wood stain, and then 2 coats of clear stain. Clear wax. And now we're putting it in the room.
You have to do this thing first. Hurry up.
Is that vent going to cause an issue?
Yeah.
Ooh, very nice.
Go right up to it, butter.
Yeah. Oh wow. Go on.
Unlocks doors.
Wow. Yeah.
Is there a left hand or a right hand drawer? Oh, I just see it like.
Yeah. I don't think there's any specific way that we.
Is there a little.
Oh, also this side.
Once you go on, you're going to tip it again up.
Yeah, you got to put your whole finger in. Ooh, there we go. Ooh.
That was easy for you.
I like that.
Big trouble with this one.
That's it. Right. Whoa.
It looks sort of like a.
Soft close. Wow.
It's posh now.
Whoa, that is posh altogether.
Strange way they look like a double drawer, but it's actually one drawer.
It's one drawer.
It's
Feels like it needs pushing in a bit.
I'll open the bottom drawer and it's.
Oh, how deceiving. We meet again, I'm still here. This is now the end and the finished result of the coffee table. I'm obsessed with it. Even though I'm obsessed with it, it will not be living with me forever, unfortunately, because of my dream inspiration for this room. I'll have the TV on the wall, a fireplace and a built-in media unit. But I'm sure I'll make a lovely little profit on it, or I'll just gift it to a family member who loves it just as much as I do, because now it's got some gorgeous character on it as well. Some people may dictate that I've taken away the character, but I think I freshened it up a bit. It's not so orange. I love the painted wood and then the stained top, giving it that I'm still here. I've still got that little heritage about me. The deep drawers, the handles, they're all giving character, which I love for. So I'm going to be keeping it for a few more months until my lounge process moves forwards, when I can get around to doing that. But apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this start to finish process of my first renovation project and upcycle project. So I'm happy with this whole process, even though my dad did do most of it and I couldn't even stop it. He wanted to do some bits when he had free time, which I don't blame him. I was busy working and he loved it just as much as I did. So I appreciate him and I appreciate you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe if you want to see more home updates and give this video a like if you love the outcome. But apart from that, thank you so much for being here and I hope you enjoyed this little renovation project with possibly more to come. You never know. But apart from that, thank you again for watching and hopefully I'll see you in another video. Bye.